Hey family, let's get into how I recreated this beautiful gele. So you want to see the full tutorial, keep watching. If this is your first time, you're welcome to Glam by Debbie. Here I teach everything makeup, gele and hairstyling. Now starting off, I created 6 plates and covered the left side of my model's head. Now the measurement for this kind is 70-30, meaning that the longer part, which is 70, covers her left ear, while the shorter part is to cover the right ear. Now I've taken the shorter part and I've taken it behind the right ear, and I'm now going to be using this long part that was carried from under to cover the right side of her ear and create another 6 additional plates. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. For the past 8 days, today is day 8, so for the past 8 days I have been on a series where I post a tutorial every day. Please go check out the other tutorials and you would be glad. I've done a tutorial on makeup, I've done several on gele, I've even done a skincare nighttime routine. Please go check it out, and I'm sure you'd learn something interesting. Now this style, going back into the style, it's a V in front, so I've created the 6 plates and I've pinned it down. You can see how I'm carrying all the fabric from behind. This style is actually very easy to tie, and it is ideal for a bride's mom, or even a party guest. It's just very simple to tie, easy to tie. It's one of those unconventional geles that just makes, brings out the beauty and makes the wearer look very sophisticated. So now I'm going to be creating a side bow, so you can see how I'm carrying all the fabric and I'm making a knot. Yes, this is me making a knot right here. If you follow the tutorial, trust me, you're going to be fine. But if peradventure you need a one-on-one coaching, please do not hesitate to send a DM. I'm more than available to carry out that one-on-one class for you. Now this side of the gele, you can see how I am arranging it. I'm just taking my time to arrange it because it's an unconventional style. You have to create the structures like this, so you just keep arranging it until you're comfortable with the ruffle. And you can see how I am pinning this butterfly parts, and now I'm going to take from behind and also pin it. Yes, this is me taking the other flap from behind and pinning it, and that's how this look was created. Very easy, very chic, very sophisticated. And I think this is the end of the tutorial. Just pin until you're satisfied, and this is the result. I was very happy about it, and my mother also looked very pretty in it. Now this is how the back of the hair was arranged, bringing out the wig at the middle. So this is how this part was arranged, and this is the final look. What do you think, guys? Would you like to rock this for an event? What event are you having, and would you like to rock it? And leave your answers in the comment section, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next tutorial. Bye.